religions, now we're starting to see more fundamentalism. So after a couple of 100 years in which human society was more secular, less rooted in religious wars, now suddenly we've started to have, as we all know, more of these religious issues crop up. So all of that happened in 1989. What else happened in 1989? This one was less recognized at the time, and it applies to the US, but actually happened in many other countries too, that we are all, most societies on this planet are becoming older over time. I think that's true just about everywhere, maybe a few exceptions in Africa. Why is that? Because our birth rates have been falling, fewer babies are being born, and life expectancy has been increasing. I believe the birth rate in Russia is maybe 1.2, 1.3. Replacement level is 2.1. Right? So when you don't have that many babies and people live longer, the median age of the population increases. In the United States in 1989, for the first time, we had more adults above the age of 40 than below. And this happened in Europe earlier, probably happened here earlier, but it happened in the US in 1989. Now, why is that significant? Why is 40 significant? What does 40 mean in a human life? You know, in the West, we refer to a midlife crisis. A lot of people go through a midlife crisis, roughly around 40, because that is the midway point of your life. And they start to think that, you know, I've lived my life so far according to certain values, certain priorities, and now half my life is over, and what is going to happen? Am I going to continue to do the same thing? It doesn't feel that satisfying. People feel empty. They don't feel fulfilled. And so they start to do things